Looks like it's time for another project. Right, Max? Max and I just went and picked this thing up today, and I have to say, it's got a curious history to it. It's got this big discount sticker here. It still has the original... That thing's been on there so long, the paper's just like completely come apart. Still got these crazy like zip tie things here on the steering wheel. It's just all scuffed up. It's like somebody bought it and like dragged it home with a rope behind their car, or chucked it in the garage and piled stuff on top of it. Not that I would ever do that. Alright, there's some basic cleanup. Now we need to take this thing out and see what it'll do, sort of baseline it. There you go. You ready to go for a ride? Let's get you some so you can go for a drive. There you go, stage one, 24 volts, two 12-volt batteries in series. We did have some problems though. Carson, what are your main gripes?
Feels like it's gonna fall apart when I sit in it.
Feels like it's gonna fall apart, yeah.
It's slow.
I know it was a little faster with the 24, wasn't it?
It wasn't fast.
It wasn't fast? Okay. We're gonna go back to the drawing board. We'll see what's next. Carson's thinking maybe internal combustion.
We should put a CR125 in it.
Go grab one.
Alright.